morning, students. Today is transcription number 237 on the speed of 100 words per minute. Start. The very informing and very useful debate that we have had on the motion has, I am sure, given government a great deal of food for thought. Many suggestions have been made which I have been thankful to find are very largely in accordance with government's own ideas on the problems which devaluation has thrown up, and I have no doubt in my mind that when we set up a suitable machinery for bringing about increased possibilities of consultation between the government and parliament in these matters, we should be able to push things forward to a satisfactory stage. I am glad that my honorable colleagues, the ministers of food and supply and commerce and industry, have been able to participate in this debate, because most of those issues which have been raised in the course of the debate are issues which are concerned with the ministries which they represent, and they are naturally able to speak with fuller knowledge about them. I wish in the little time that I have at my disposal this evening to confine myself to certain broad considerations which honorable members have raised in the course of the discussion. I am fully in agreement with the suggestion made by various speakers that what we need today at the stage that we have reached is not so much more proposals as more willingness, ability, and readiness to implement proposals. The question of implementation is really the most vital question that we have to face today. The more I think of the economic problems with which the country is faced today, the more I feel that at bottom they are not really economic problems in the sense of technical economics, but they are really problems of administration. You look at any of these problems which are causing us worry and anxiety in these days, you will find that deep down they resolve themselves into problems of efficient and honest administration. Now, the question of administration is bound up very closely with the other idea which has been suggested by several honorable speakers, namely the idea of coordination. When honorable members speak of coordination, they are thinking apparently only of government at the highest level that we here represent. I beg to suggest to the House that from the point of view of coordination, what is more important is cooperation at a much lower level than that we represent.